Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So one of the most powerful features in NotebookLM is the ability to transform a PDF into a AI generated audio discussion. Instead of reading hundreds of pages manually, you can listen to an AI host explain and discuss the documents in a podcast style format. So this is especially useful for students, researchers, professionals, and anyone who wants to learn while commuting, exercising, or multitasking. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to turn a PDF into audio in NotebookLM in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, open NotebookLM. Start by opening NotebookLM and creating a new notebook or selecting an existing one. So you can use textbooks, research papers, reports, manuals, study materials, business documents. So create separate notebooks for different topics. Okay, upload a PDF. Okay, so for example, add your PDF as a source. So common examples include academic papers, ebooks, lecture notes, industry reports, project documentation. So NotebookLM will process the documents and make it available for analysis. Clean text-based PDFs work best in this case. Okay, wait for processing after uploading the PDF. Okay, the system identifies main ideas, key themes, important findings, supporting information. So larger PDFs may require additional processing time. Okay, so complete processing improves audio quality. Review the sources before generating audio. Confirm that the PDF uploaded successfully, important sections are present, and the content is readable. So if the PDF imports incorrectly, re-upload it before continuing. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.